So that's the wheel bearing of the right side drum. So taking out the drum and taking out the old bearing, that's the new bearing mechanism. Basically we're using the hammer and a plate and hammering it down the cavity of the drum. And the other way is actual way is using the hydraulic press. That's the old bearing, so putting it atop the new bearing and again hammering it, putting a plate on the top to make sure the new bearing fits into the cavity. Then we place a lock ring like this with the help of a plier, and just to make sure it fits in the right position. So this makes sure that it doesn't come out, the bearing mechanism. And now these are the balls which we have to grease and then put them inside the bearing mechanism. So basically these balls are the main mechanism of the whole bearing system, over which actually the wheel rotates smoothly. So these balls have to be properly greased. When the ball get cracks, then they create problem, start making clinching sound. We then put the safety ring, which makes sure the ball doesn't come out of the bearing mechanism. With the help of a screwdriver to make sure that the security ring gets and fits into the mechanism in a right way. Now we need to clean the drum, inside of the drum, and then we're gonna put it back, tight up the bolts, just a central bolt, just holding the cap of the drum mechanism. Make sure it's tight enough so it doesn't come out. A little bit of hammering and chiseling to make sure it sits at the right position. Okay, now we need to rotate it and make sure no